Kita natin, nagsalita na si dating Senador Drilon tungkol sa mangyayari o posibleng mangyari na impeachment trial kay BP Sara. Medyo nalilito lang ako guys kasi mas magaling naman si Francis Balahura at si Alfred Canada kay Drilon. So posible talaga na magkaroon ng impeachment trial. So pakinggan natin to guys.
Mark my word, there will be no trial in my assessment. There will be no trial in the impeachment court because Vice President Sara correctly, as a lawyer, would not want to start a trial because once the trial starts, you do not know how it will end. Karen, you were involved as part of the defense team of President Era Pescara.
Of Corona. Chief
sorry,
Justice Corona, yes.
You'll never know what will happen in the course of the trial.
Yes.
You'll never know what comes out as evidence, and therefore, you'll never know how the senators will vote, how public opinion will be swayed, which is a factor in the impeachment trial.
Yan na nga guys yung sinasabi ni BP Sara na magkakaroon tayo ng bloodbath. Labasan tayo ng ebidensya. Halungkatan tayo hanggang sa pinakahuli kung ano yung kaya nyong patunayan laban sa akin. Ang tanong guys, mangyayari ba yung impeachment trial kay BP Sara? Pakinggan lang natin to guys.
How is this, how, in my opinion, will this be prevented? What will be prevented is a trial. The impeachment is there, but the trial will, in my view, will never happen. Because if I were Vice President Sara, I would immediately put up front at the start of the trial issue of jurisdiction. Very simple question. Would the senators of the 20th Congress have jurisdiction over allegations and complaints filed in the 19th Congress?
Tama nga naman yung guys. Tandaan na natin na 19th Congress yung nag-file ng impeachment complaint. 19th Congress yung tumanggap ng 150 million na suhol para pumirma ng impeachment laban kay BP Sara. May jurisdiction ba ang 19th Congress ngayon sa 20th Congress na mangyayari ngayong pag-open ngayong July?
If you look at the calendar put out by Senate President Escudero, you will notice that yes, the impeachment process will start, I think, in June.
In June, yes,
June 2.
yes.
But if you look at it, what will happen on June 2? Sir, many preliminaries, answers, etc. The actual trial, I think will start
In July.
July.
Yes.
No longer this, the present Congress. So, if I were Vice President Sara,
Ang sabi niya, no longer at the present Congress. Ibig sabihin, wala na yung 19th Congress. So, 20th Congress na ulit. So, kailangan nila ulit mag-reapply ng impeachment labang kay BP Sara. Yan yung nakasaad sa batas na hindi tayo po pwede mag-file ng impeachment sa isang tao ng isang beses o higit pa sa loob ng isang taon.
I will immediately question the jurisdiction of the 20th Congress. Now, the first body that will decide that is the impeachment court itself. Now, in the impeachment court, will decide one way or the other, it will end up in the Supreme Court. So the issue of jurisdiction will have to be tackled in the Supreme Court, and I am not aware of any precedent which we can rely upon.
Yes.
So,
But that's really interesting because there's also an pending case in the Supreme Court right now questioning whether this impeachment can prevail because of the fourth impeachment being the one endorsed by Congress.
So there are a lot of legal issues. And the issue that will confront them is whether the 20th Congress can try a case where it was started and filed by the previous Congress. Now, maybe you want to ask the question, how will fit the agenda of the President? You know, the headline today said, BBM insists, I don't want VP impeached. So this...
Ayan na na nga guys yung sinasabi ko. Kahit ayaw pa ni BBM ng impeachment dahil hindi naman siya yung presidente ng bansa ngayon, hindi naman siya yung may hawak ng gobyerno. Ang may hawak ng gobyerno natin ngayon ay si Lisa Marcos Araneta Palaka at si Martin Romualdez Buaya. So sa tingin nyo guys, may magagawa ba si BBM?
So this came out just today
Yes,
that
yes,
the
today.
president said
Yes.
ayaw niya ng impeachment.
Ayaw niya ng impeachment. So, if I were a senator, I am looking at the president as my political leader. He says, I don't want impeachment. How do you think my decision will be?
So are you saying that the senators will listen to the signals of the president? Because it seems like Congress did not listen to that. If he were consistent, diba? From the start, he was saying,
Yes.
I don't want an
Believe you
impeachment.
me, Karen, I have been there. I've been there, I've done that.
Yes, I know you were actively also in the impeachment. We were on opposite sides. We were the prosecutors.
Right. But I'm talking here
you were in the
theoretical
side, yeah.
and what I have experienced. The president, in being the political leader, would have much of an influence.
Diba? Wala na tayong magagawa, guys. Kasi ang gagawin lang ni Lisa Marcos Palaka at ni Tambawaldas Romualdez Buaya ay bibigyan lang ng coke si BBM. Wala nang pakialam yan sa bansa. Talagang abangan na lang natin, guys, dahil posibleng matuloy ang impeachment trial laban kay BP Sara. Waray laban pala. Follow for more.